Hey guys, I wanted to talk about the Unagi Voyager 1 scooter. Probably wondering what it looks like inside. Here's a look. What I'd like to tell you about these scooters is it's notorious to receive one of these from the company and it won't take a charge. And that's exactly what happened in this one's case. However, can't get Unagi to do anything about it because it was purchased for one of my kids by my father-in-law, who died a week after he ordered it. So, without the original receipt, order details, order number, things like that, it's a paperweight. Let me tell you what's going on and why it won't take a charge. Charge port's fine. I tested it using the charge port from another scooter. I got a couple different chargers. We've tried both of those. It's not the charger. It's not the charger port. You follow the charger port wire. Here's where it connects. I connected the charger directly to the battery charging wire that goes to the BCM, battery control module. Nothing. Won't charge. I picked away at the silicone. The connections are good. Everything's soldered. So, what did I do? Well, I don't recommend. I took the charger, put some wires on the connections, and I wired it directly to the battery output. Now this is a good way to start a fire, but I was safe as you can be doing this. I used my multimeter and I monitored it religiously. None of the battery cells got hot, and I turned off the charger when they reached full. And that's the problem with doing it this way, is if you charge through this computer doesn't realize when these batteries are full. But when you charge normally through this computer realizes the batteries have reached a certain voltage and it'll shut your charger off. Well, when you're charging through here, your charger won't shut off. So you're at great risk of explosion or fire from these cells. I don't recommend you mess with it. I could change this BCM, and I might end up doing that. There's the controller. Now, another thing I want to tell you about these Unagis is it's a subscription scooter rental company. So if you buy one from them and sell it to someone else, that person won't be able to use the scooter anymore if they connect it to the app, because Unagi won't recognize that person, and they'll shut the scooter off remotely with the app. That's not the problem here, because as you can see, this battery doesn't connect to the controller other than the main power feeds. That's it. This connection right here is what connects the controller to the battery. So there's no way for the controller to tell the battery not to charge. So that is not the issue. If you buy one of these, you got to keep in mind you're in trouble if you try to connect it to the app and the app can't verify you. So that being said, the Unagi scooters are sweet. Man, they're a nice ride. Carbon fiber, magnesium alloy, airless tires, a motor in each wheel. It's like 35 pounds. It's a really good scooter to have if it wasn't this way. They're sending out bad batches. I've seen all over the internet, on Reddit. You guys are talking about the scooters won't charge. Companies give you the runaround. Then finally, if you're a subscriber and you rent it, they send you a different one after you've returned yours. So you're out of scooter for 3 weeks, a month, while you're waiting to get the replacement. But this is what it looks like in here. There's not much to it. A guy could change that controller, grab one on the internet, slap it in there, a little wiring. Here's the rear motor wires. Here's the front motor wires. You know, if a guy was handy, he could do something with this. But I don't have time to mess with it. So for me, it's an unfortunate paperweight. And for my daughter, who thoroughly enjoyed the 6 miles she got to ride it before the battery went dead, 7 miles, whatever it was. Now she's heartbroken, and I'm out here in the garage in the middle of the night tinkering, hoping there was something obvious that I could do. But there's not. Thanks for stopping in. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's my pleasure to provide you with this information that was not available. You're welcome. Give me a like. Take care.